I really couldn't walk more than like 3 blocks or so without it, hurting. I would have thought nothing before of walking 8 blocks and, to go somewhere. It's just like, oh, that's only 8 blocks. It's nothing. I'm someone who likes to get out and do things, and I'm retired. I have worked as a Spanish language interpreter, and I also have worked as a vocational rehabilitation counselor both for the state and for the federal government. I have had ongoing issues with arthritis since a skiing accident in 1986, in which I broke my left pelvis and right femur, and since that time, gradually I became compromised. I had a left hip replacement and I had a left knee replacement. It was very, very painful. It felt like somebody cut me open, put salt in the wound, and then took a hammer and pounded on it. The recovery was okay. I mean, my knee's great, but it isn't mine. I had heard about stem cell injections right before I had my left knee done, but I didn't know if I would qualify or what the situation was. And although my left knee surgery has been a success, I would prefer not to have such an invasive surgery done. I was in the process of making plans to have my right knee done, and I decided that I wanted to look into stem cell injections instead. I mean, I figure it was going to work or it wasn't going to work. The doctor made it sound like it was highly probable that it was going to work, so I went for it. He did it. I got up and left. I was able to get up and down pretty quickly. I mean, before, like the chair that I was sitting in, I would have had to put my hands on the arms of the chair and kind of pull myself up. Now I can just stand up. My back doesn't hurt. I'm going into guide dog class that's very rigorous. I have 2 years until it's fully done. I'm looking forward to it getting better and better, and I'm sure it will, because I can get up and down. Go for it. You don't have anything to lose, and you have a whole lot to gain, and you don't have to go through having salt poured in your wound and a hammer pounding on it.